With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the broken screen. We remove the plastic protector. Now we remove the screen connector. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. Before glue the new screen, you must check if the screen is working properly. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We have finished the assembly process.